Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You are a regular teacher, so I joined again.
Morning, ma'am.
How are you,
You
Juve?
take regular classes also?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Okay. Good morning, Aisha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Students, what we did in the last class? Anyone remember?
Paint.
Paint application.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Good morning. Come on, tell me what we did on paint.
Ma'am, we use shapes to draw.
Very good. How many students are left to join? Can anyone tell me? I can see only 5 students. Total, how many students are there? Aisha, do you know how many students are
Ma'am,
there?
9, 10 students.
9 students?
9 or 10.
9 or 10. Okay, okay. I think they'll be joining soon. Okay, not an issue. So we'll start with the class. Okay. As you all have explored paint last week, I want you all to come up with at least 2 to 3 features that you liked about paint and you have used it. So Aisha, I want you to start any 2 features that you have used and you liked about
What, ma'am?
any 2 features that you liked about paint and you used it.
जाना तेरी क्लास है अभी तो खत्म हुई मेरी अभी चालू हुई तेरी
I can hear many very background
Ma'am,
noise.
yeah.
Please, yes. Tell me.
I like the shapes of it, and I like the different.
Okay.
And I also like the process where you mix color your own color.
The edit color option.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. We have the option data on color. Right?
Yes.
Very good, Aisha. Juevia, tell me any 2 features.
I like where we can save our drawings, and the like it does not go away. We can anytime and we can start drawing again.
Okay, very good, Juevia. Umar, any 2 features?
First, I like the shapes. There are many types of shapes.
You like the shapes.
And there
What
are,
else you liked about paint?
there are many features that others don't have.
What? Please repeat.
Other features that other applications that are like sprays, markers, sketch pens.
Uma, I want you to be loud. You are not audible, dear.
I like the spray and markers.
Hey, normal paint. Okay. Aisha Kazi, please share any 2 features that you liked about paint.
Ma'am, I loved the spray paint and I love the bright colors
Okay, very
of the
good.
paint.
Aisha, can you just share your screen and tell us what is this spray paint?
Ma'am, me.
No, Aisha Kazi.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so this is the
Ma'am,
screen.
in here where the brushes are there,
Yes.
so here you get the option like this is the spray paint airbrush.
Airbrush, right. There are 3 to 4 types of
Yeah, it
airbrush.
has a very
Okay,
yes.
okay. Very good, Aisha. Thank you so much, Aisha. Hamdan, please tell me any 2 features.
Ma'am, about Microsoft Paint.
Yes, dear, about Microsoft Paint. Any 2 features that you used and liked it?
Ma'am, shapes. The shapes.
Shape,
The,
okay, very good.
yeah, ma'am, the shapes that we can select and we can, according to us, we can put it in the screen.
What, according to?
Us, we can put it in the screen.
Yes, yes, very good, Hamdan. Thank you so much. Hamza, please share any 2 features.
Where you can draw anything you want, and you can color it as you want.
Anything else, Hamza?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Okay. So students, I am sharing my screen, the paint application. Okay, so here is the paint application. Okay. So there are many features. You all have said the similar features, like you all said about the shapes and the colors. But if you see, there are many features. Like you can resize the
There's
image.
size feature, brushes
If
feature, fill and paint feature, pencil feature,
Aisha,
eraser.
your voice is not audible. Yes, Aisha.
Ma'am, there are size feature, brushes feature, eraser feature, ruler feature.
Yes. Yes, you can rotate the image to 90 or like see. You can here rotate it to 90, 180, even you can flip. For example, if I take this and now I want to flip it, then I can flip it. Right? So this is one of the very most important feature wherein you don't have um, if you created it like this and you want to if you don't want it like this, you want to flip it, you don't have to create a new one, you can just flip it. Okay, and apart from that we have this pencil wherein it can be used for freehand drawing. You can draw anything whatever you want. Apart from that you have eraser wherein you can erase it, you don't have
You
to
can
do.
increase the size of the eraser by doing control plus
By doing control.
and plus.
Yes, you can. If you don't want, if you want a bigger one, then you can increase the size and you can use it. Apart from that, you have this magnifier. See, you can see the image in a bigger size. And then you have type of brushes, as Aisha said. You can select any of this. Apart from this, you have bucket, wherein you can just select a color and you can fill in. Then we also have the outline option. If you have an object and you want the outline, then you can take it. Okay, okay, Aisha. And apart from that, if you're using a brush and you want to change the size of the brush, then you can select from here. If you want a thick line, you can take a thick one. If you want a thin line, then you can select the thin one. Okay. And apart from this, you have the edit color option wherein you can make your own colors, right? Custom colors, you can create any color. So this color I have created and I have edited. So in the custom color, one color is added, right? And we also have the redo and undo option. If I want to undo something, I just have to click here. So it will all go, right? Only you can do it for, there is a limitation for undo, you can do it for three times. Got it? See, there are so many features, but normally in other classes also students are just sharing about dates and years. You see, there are so many options here, right, students?
Ma'am, I already drawn this.
You can also go, there are two tabs, home and view. You can also go to view and you can use the rulers. See, we get the rulers now. You can use the grid lines. You got the grids. The screen is not plain now, not a plain page. It's a grid page. You can view it in a full screen. Thumbnail. Okay. You can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so these are all the features here which some of the students have used last time. Okay, is there anyone left?
I want to draw something in MS Paint.
No, today we don't have to draw anything in MS Paint. I just wanted to know what all you have understood. Okay, so anyone can
Okay,
come
ma'am.
new feature that they saw when I was explaining and want to share it with us. Like how Aisha shared that we have a brush wherein we can use this spray. Students, do you want to share something about paint? Humera, okay, you tell me any two features. Humera Kasim, can you tell me any two features?
Ma'am.
Any two features of paint? Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. I can see your screen.
Yes. Can you see the options on in paint? There are so many
Yeah.
options. Yes. So out of that, any two features that you have used?
I use that shapes and that colors.
Shapes and colors. Okay. So who asked me how, ma'am? How did you do the dots? Okay. So simply you have to go to this brush and take this spray. Take any color and put it.
No, but how do you do with these lines over here?
What?
There are lines here in the dot inside it.
Please be loud, Aisha, or just write in the chat box. Please write in the chat box. Aisha, do you want to ask anything? I cannot on the screen. Which dot you are asking about, dear?
These dots.
This dot?
Yes.
No, these are not dots actually. These are just spray. How we use this airbrush. This airbrush, how we use? Same way, this is a spray option and you can use it. You can color it. You can spray it. This is a spray dear. This is not dot. Okay. If you want to put a dot, you can simply take a text box and then you can write in here. See, this is a dot. The green and red you see is not dot, it's spray. Okay? Is it clear to you, Aisha? Yes. Okay, very good. So, let us start with the session then. Can anyone tell me how to check the operating system? I have explained you all. Right? In the last to last session, I have explained how to check the operating system. Can anyone explain?
We have to go to settings and then check if the operating system.
Which setting? Where I will find the setting, dear?
We have to search.
Yes, Aisha, which setting you will have to go?
To the operating system setting.
Okay, you are using Windows 10 or Windows 7?
Windows 10.
Windows 10. Okay, very good, very good. Juveria, how do we check operating system?
And we have to go to this. We have to go to the setting. Then we'll go. And then we have to search the operating system.
Aisha, can you just share your screen and explain us?
Ma'am, the settings screen.
Yeah, just share your screen and just share the process with us, the steps with us.
Yes. I'm not getting settings.
Yes, because there are two options here. I had explained. In some operating systems, there is already a setting option, and you just have to go simply to the setting. But in some versions, there is a control panel, wherein you have to go to control panel. Search for control panel in this search bar. Do you find that? Come on, students, you all search for the control panel in the search bar. Type in the search bar control panel.
Ma'am, I got control panel and I got system and security.
Yes, very good, Aisha. In system and security, you will find the operating system. So, students, quickly go to the system option and share your screen one by one. All of you.
Ma'am, where we have to go?
Control panel here. Control panel. Search in the type in the search bar. Wait, I will show.
No, ma'am. Like where? No, where we have to go to?
Ma'am, should I share?
Um, see, this is my
Ma'am,
screen.
we
Okay?
have to go to paint.
No, dear. This is the screen. This is my screen. Okay.
Ma'am, it
You
came
just going to
all
the
the tools autoplay default program file explorer
I
option.
will type control panel. See, this control panel. I will double click on it.
Ma'am, mine came the same.
Okay. Share your screen one by one. Come on.
not getting share.
Go to
Ma'am, I
system.
got this.
No, ma'am, I'm not getting search. Ma'am says
Wait a minute. Go to systems. The third option. Third option. You are on the correct page. Don't go back. Don't go back. I shall just go to this third option. System. Yes. Go to the third
Ma'am, where
option.
should I go? System.
Yes. Click on it. Yes. Here you can see Windows 10.
Yes.
Yes. Very good. So this Windows 10 is your operating system. Got it, Aisha?
Ma'am, can I share my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Aisha. Aga, please share your screen.
ma'am, I did not get search.
You didn't what?
To search
So what do I do now?
Go to systems. See, in the third row it is there, systems. In the third column, yes, systems. Go there. Yes. Did you saw this Windows 10 Pro
Yes.
and the Windows logo on the right hand side?
It's Windows
Yes,
10,
ma'am.
Dell.
Yes. So
Windows
Aisha, this is
10.
the operating system you are using, okay?
Okay.
Yes. So Juveria, please share your screen. Let me see what happened.
ma'am, now where do I have to go?
Search for control panel. In the start option, you will get a search bar, right?
I'm getting this.
Okay. This is yours. Go there in the start option. There will be just a minute.
The option in the right top.
Go to right.
Um, ma'am, where?
Go to right side. There is no setting option here.
Oh, ma'am. Ma'am, I have no setting in the computer.
Search for control panel.
Ma'am, where is control panel?
Go to search bar.
Search.
Ma'am, I know how to do it.
Does not show the schedule.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Search
Yes.
option in the right top.
Go to PC setting.
This?
No. In the third column, there is a PC setting. Go down. Yes, PC setting. There. Yes.
Ma'am, now where?
PC and devices, the first option. Come down. PC info, the last option. Sorry. PC info, the last option. Yes. Here you can see Windows edition, Windows
Yes.
8.1. So now using the operating system Windows 8.1. Got it,
Yes.
Julia? Your
Yes,
is
sir.
because you are using Windows 8.1. That is the reason the layout is different. Okay?
Yes.
Stop sharing.
Yeah. Just a second.
Yes.
Ma'am, where should I go for back?
Yeah, back on this upload option. Yes.
Um, uh, Ma'am, I can't.
Can't
Ma'am,
go.
where should I go?
Escape.
Escape. It's not happening. Um,
PC and no. There is no option.
I'm doing escape, but it's not happening.
Normally we press escape to go back.
I pressed escape.
What else can we do? Person only goes and you say, "Oh, क्या आदमी सोच सकता है?" That's all I can think of. Yeah, आदमी.
Hmm.
Yes, you are right. This is exactly. Look, चलने वाले तो लोग Allah hope that.
Go down.
Down?
Yes.
Yeah. Uh,
Do one thing. Yes, you can go to start. Yes,
right?
click on the start.
Yeah.
Okay. So your options comes on the right hand side, wherein you can go to start, even you can go to setting. Okay.
Yes.
Amdan, please share your screen. Amdan. Umar, please share your screen and tell us where how you can check your operating system.
Ma'am, I am sharing.
You are on tab. Hamdan, are you on tab?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So on tab, how do you check operating system?
Ma'am, in tab also you can go to settings.
Ma'am, I'll check. Ma'am, I don't know. I think ma'am, wait, I'll see.
How in mobile phones you go to settings? The same way in tablet also you have to go to settings.
And there is a app.
Yes, wait. Here only you will get it. Go up. No, in iPad you will not find the control panel. Slowly go down. Go to.
And there is control center.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Go to general. Go to general. Above the control center. Yes, and go up. Click on about. Yes, here you will find the software version. It is 14.2. Up. In the second row, you can see software version, right? It is 14.2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the version you are using.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is left? Umar, please share your screen. Very good. Windows 10. Very good, Umar. Okay. So student, this is the way we check the operating system. Okay. So now I am sharing my screen. Do you all remember we have started with this chart? Students, do you all remember we have started with this chart? This chart.
Yes, I remember. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aisha Karthi, can you tell me what we have, what all we have completed?
We have done operating system, device drivers, and system utilities.
Yes, right. And today we have to start with programming language. Anyone know what is programming language? Yes, Juvavia, tell me.
To change the language or to change the language
Change the language. Okay.
of the
Umar, can you tell
computer.
me? Yes, Umar.
type of language of computers. Like we can use instructions and make anything. Like Java, we can use to make games and all.
Yes. So for example, how we are using Zoom application. So this type we have many application and games. We also use it on our mobile phones, right? So these applications are made using a language. How we have English language, the same way computer also have some languages. So these are the type of languages computer have: C, C++, Java. So basically the software engineers use this, okay, to create this application. For example, this Zoom application is created by an engineer, so he must have used some languages like C or Java or Python, right? So any application, any software is created using a language. Got it? Then coming to back to the chart, we have application softwares. There are two types: general purpose, specific purpose. Let's go to general purpose. So let us first see what is application software. It is a set of programs which are written to perform specific tasks. For example, Zoom application is written to for conducting video calls, for sharing our notes. Right? This is for specific tasks. We cannot draw on Zoom application. Can we do painting on Zoom application? No, we cannot, because it is made for specific task. What is the specific task of Zoom application? We can see each other, we can talk with each other, we can share our notes, right? So this, we can conduct meetings. So this is for specific task. So whenever we design software, there are two type of software: general purpose and specific purpose. General purpose, what is general purpose? These are user-friendly softwares. User-friendly as in anyone can use. Even a small child can use, even an adult can use. Anyone can use, because it is very user-friendly. It has, it gives us, for example, Paint. Anyone can use. You don't have to worry when you use Paint, because it is a very simple software. When you open it, you understand. Yes, we have shapes. We can take the shapes. We have colors. We can select the colors. Right? It is very simple. But for Zoom application, in the starting, you had learned how to use the Zoom application. Right? So it is a very user friendly. Why it is written? Written to cater to users' very general needs, very basic needs, such as documents, drawing pictures, preparing presentations. These are very basic needs. Like for example, I want to draw. I can go to Paint and I can draw anything. Anyone can go to Paint and draw. They don't have to learn Paint. By doing 3 to 4 times practice, you will understand all the tools and all the features. Same way, preparing presentation. At the first, you will worry how to use it, but once you get to know these features, it is very easy to use. You don't have to learn it, right? So, for example, Word documents. You all know Word document. You just go on Word and you can type in anything, and you get the document ready. You have Excel sheet wherein you can go and you can type anything, right? So this is very general purpose, designed for everyone. Anyone can use it. Humaira, do you understand? Did you understand what I explained? Humaira? Humaira Qasim, did you understood what I explained?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please tell me what is general purpose software. Humaira, please tell me what is general purpose software.
Okay, ma'am.
Umar, can you tell me what is general purpose software in your own words?
General purpose software is means like anybody can use it. Like a child can also use it. He can draw and
Yes.
very easy to operate.
Yes. Aisha Aga, can you tell me what you understood by general purpose software? Aisha Aga? Aisha, I'm asking you. Can you hear me? Aisha, can you hear me? Aisha Kazi, can you tell me what do you understood by general purpose software?
General purpose software is general, like anybody can use it, and there is no age restriction. And in softwares like drawing pictures, like paint and presentations.
Yes, very good, very good. Very good, Aisha.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
It's a very friendly software,
Yes.
and anybody can use it, like a very old person also and a very young person also
Yes,
can use it.
very good.
And done.
Yes, very good. And then coming to the last one, that is specific purpose. Specific means it is customized. How sometimes we want a dress that it should be in this way only. We don't want, if we saw a dress in a market, we liked it, but we didn't like the pattern. We don't want it short, we want it long as a gown. So what we did, we buy a material, we go to the tailor and tell him that, see, put this lace, put this diamond and make it a gown. We explain them how we want it. Same way, there are softwares that are customized, that is designed based on our need. For example, this Zoom application, they wanted it this way, that only we can conduct meetings, we can conduct video calls, video conference, and we can share the notes. They have not given, on WhatsApp, they have not given options of share online sharing. We can share it, but not interactive learning is missing in WhatsApp, right? Can we do the same thing on WhatsApp what we do on Zoom?
No, ma'am.
No, because WhatsApp is designed with some specific specification. Same Zoom is designed with other specification. So normally, whenever organization have some requirement that yes, we want a application. For example, Zomato, Swiggy, these are food ordering applications. They want it that way, that anyone can order food on their application. So they have designed it that way. They approach to an engineer, to an organization. They explain them that we want a software wherein people can log in and order their food and then pay online, and our delivery boy will take the food from the restaurant and give it and deliver it to the place. So this was the process they want. They went to a engineer, they explained their requirement, and they got their customized specific purpose software, which only Zomato have. What Zomato have, no other application have. Same application is there, but not exact same, because everybody's requirement changes. What Aisha want, Juveria also want the same thing is not important, because your mindset are different. Your requirement is different. Got it? Okay. So Umar, can you tell us what specific purpose software?
Ma'am, like it's customized for do certain things. Like if we have to draw, so they will draw.
Please be loud, Umar.
Ma'am, specific purpose softwares are the needs of people that are there. Means if they need to make a PPT, so there's Word and Microsoft Word.
Yes, it is based on our requirement, how we want the application, right? Hamdan, can you tell me what you understood by specific purpose software? Hamdan, Hamza, what are you doing? Can you tell me, Hamza, what you understood?
For what?
What you understood by
That different,
specific purpose software?
that different software has different application of different uses.
Be loud, be loud.
Different applications have different software and different uses.
Okay, okay. So it's customized. Humera, you understood, dear? Humera, why are you so silent today? You're not speaking anything. Are you not well?
No, ma'am, I am well.
Then tell me what is specific purpose software. Give it a try. I have explained. Come on. What you
Ma'am, I
understood?
didn't understood.
Please be loud, Humera.
I didn't understood.
You didn't understood?
This one only.
I'm not able to hear you.
Only this one I didn't understood properly.
Okay, so specific softwares are customized, means it is designed on your specific requirement. For example, Mera, in case in future, if you want a software which is a gaming application, then you can approach to engineers and you can ask them to develop the game application on your requirement. Okay, Hamza, are you designing any software right now? No? Okay, so students, we are done with the class. We will meet next week again. Please remember this. I'll be asking some important questions on this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So you all can study if you all have notes or if you have written it down, okay? We will meet soon. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.